So look, you could run your transitional housing business from a different state. Right now, real estate properties we know are ridiculous. The cost of rent is ridiculous, especially if you live in a big city. But here's the thing that's awesome that a lot of people don't know. You could actually find a property in a state that's more affordable and lease that property or buy a property. I'll give you a good idea. So if you're in a major city like Queens, New York, or Los Angeles, someone in Los Angeles can find a place in Arizona. Someone in New York, in Queens, New York, could probably find a place in Buffalo, New York. It's still in the same state. They can start their business. They could actually find a property within those areas that's very affordable and then lease that property or buy that property. The good thing now with technology is you don't need to live in the same area. You can live 2 hours away from the property, which I recommend living no more than 2 to 3 hours from your property. So if you have to go and check on it, you can once a weekend or every 2 weeks. The good thing now is you have technology. You have apps right at your fingertips like Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal that you could collect your rent, your security deposits. I use DocuSign. You could use DocuSign to send the lease to someone and let people sign the lease and send it back to you. I can do that all from a phone. I can do all of that from a laptop. I can do all of that from my iPad. Like I said, the good thing is with these gadgets and technology, you can manage that directly from your phone. Also with doorbell cameras, I use Blink. I use Blink app, put Blink cameras around the facilities, of course not in the private areas, but in the common spaces and around the grounds. So right there from my cell phone, on my tablet, I can monitor my properties all day. So if you want to know how to get into the transitional housing or recovery home business and you want someone that's experienced, also someone with a bachelor's in business, who's ran a business and runs a business, not just some internet guru that reads a bunch of articles then decide to jump out and try to charge people for that. No, I'm bringing experience and true knowledge. Also, I'm a certified product manager. I know what I'm doing. I've led plenty of projects throughout my time, from construction to IT projects. So again, you could go to my website, www.cmhscd, which is at the bottom, if you want to learn more. I'm Mitchell H. Thank you.